If you watch plenty of our car reviews, you will know that some cars nowadays come with a lot of safety assistance features as standard. But if you already own a car which comes with these safety assistance features, well, good for you. But what if you own a car which doesn't have some of these safety assistance features? Well, you can buy an in-car camera. Not just any in-car camera, but this HP F920X. Now, this is an in-car camera, and of course, having an in-car camera in Singapore is pretty important. It will help you capture any evidence if anything happens to you. Well, this ensures that you will always have good quality footage because it does come with Sony StarVis sensor. Now, this ensures that you always have good quality footage, whether it's in the day or night. But it isn't just about capturing good quality footage. This camera actually does come with safety assistance features. I will go out on the road later and show you some of it. One of these safety assistance features which the F920X has is lane departure warning. Now, this is a feature that you see in a lot of new cars nowadays, but this camera can do that. So if I stray out of the lane just a little bit, it will warn me, as you can hear. So, reminds you to get back in lane, and if you want to change lanes, it won't kick in. Other safety assistance feature which this camera provides is front collision warning. Now, if you get a bit too close to the car in front, it will actually warn you. It is quite cool. The other feature it also has is a speed warning system. So you can actually set the speed that you prefer to be warned at, and it will actually give you a little beep to tell you that you have exceeded the speed limit. Now, all these features are great, but as some of you might know, one of the more common failure rates when it comes to in-car cameras is heat. And of course, in Singapore's heat, it is quite tough. But it is a good thing that this camera can withstand high heat, so it will last, which is a good thing. The F920X camera does come with Sony StarVis sensor. Now that allows you to record in HDR in low light at 1080p resolution. And of course, the camera does come with collision detection, so if someone actually nudges your car, you can record all of that. And if you want to retrieve that evidence, you can download an app and connect through Wi-Fi to the camera and download everything straight to your phone, so you don't have to take out the SD card. The F920X does come with a 2-year 1-for-1 exchange warranty against manufacturer defects with its authorized distributor Optima Works. Now, if you're interested in the F920X, check out the list of retailers below, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, goodbye.